So you might already have heard of Apple's keyboard service program. If you bought an Apple computer, a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro in the past few years, there's a chance your keyboard is of butterfly mechanism. In 2015, Apple launched this new low-profile butterfly design for MacBooks so they can make the laptops even thinner. But this design of keyboard had its whole host of issues, such as keys failing to respond, sticky keys, multiple clicks, or no clicks at all. This video is about what to do if your keyboard has any of those issues, especially if you are in India. I was in a situation where multiple keys in my MacBook Pro N, I, E, G started acting weird. Some of them completely unresponsive even. I contacted several local Apple service centers in 2 cities, Hyderabad and in Calcutta, but none of them could provide any accurate information about my queries. And based on previous experiences, I had to be completely sure and prepared before I went to an Apple service center. I was also looking for answers, but I couldn't find any. And even I saw people selling their laptops in a lower price because they had a broken key in their laptop. So now, after everything's done, I want to share this information so others might find it useful. So, does Apple service broken butterfly keyboard in India for free? Yes, they do. Regardless whatever your service center representative tell you over the phone. Within 4 years from original purchase, if your butterfly keyboard breaks, you are eligible for a completely free of cost repair. It's not the standard warranty per se, they called it a quality program last time I was in the store. It felt like the right time to share this information as it's nearing 4 years since the issue became widespread in 2016. Take a look at this. This is the service page. I'll also provide a link in the description. This is the full list of eligible devices that are covered under this 4-year keyboard repair program. They reverted back to their traditional scissor mechanism from their 2019 line of keyboards, obviously because those are easier to service and has a much lower rate of failure. So what value do you get after repairing it? Well, obviously you want a functioning keyboard in a computer in which you work every day, but also there are some other reasons which might not be as obvious. For example, due to the nature of its design, they have to replace the bottom case completely, which means you will get a chassis free of scratches and dents and almost certainly get new batteries as well. So if you have a 2016 MacBook Pro that you have used daily since purchase, and if it has a few broken keys in it, after service you will not only get a fresh bottom case, you will also get new batteries. Standalone, this battery and top case replacement would cost you somewhere around 600 to 800 US dollars or between 60 to 80,000 Indian rupees depending on your model, and Apple is providing that completely free of cost. Also, a new looking and smelling computer with fresh batteries in it will give you much more resale value in case you want to sell your current laptop and go for newer, maybe latest Apple M1 Max that are in store right now. I'll talk a bit more about those in a minute. What might happen is you call the service center and ask if the store provides such services. Maybe they will confirm and give you an estimate how long it might take if you are lucky. But maybe they will simply just say they are not aware of any such programs, which happened to me actually. But this is quite common, especially in India. Earlier this year, I talked to 7 service centers from Imagine and Apptronics, and only one of them hinted that they were aware of this program. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. Anyways, you just have to confirm the date and time you are going to visit the service center along with your laptop. It's typically a good idea to have a chat transcript with main Apple support who will definitely acknowledge this service being offered worldwide, India included, in case the service step needs more convincing. Couple of things you might need to know before you visit the store. Number 1, you should back up whatever is needed before you visit them, because the technician will tell you that all data might be lost and they might have to reformat your computer. Number 2, you might have to share your login password with them, and that means they'll have access to your keychain, saved credit, debit cards, among many other things. So if you are sensitive about those, prepare your laptop beforehand, and signing out of iCloud is a good idea. Number 3, if you have skins applied on the bottom case, the technician might tamper with it in order to open the case, so plan accordingly. So the day you visit them, they will inspect your laptop for water damage first. If there is any, they will straight away decline to provide you this service, but in any other case, they will ask you what's wrong. You gotta tell them which keys are functioning weirdly and problematic. They will take your laptop in after a brief inspection and probably give you a service receipt. You can get the direct phone number which you can dial to get the status from the technician himself. Based on model and availability, they will give you a rough estimate between 1 to 3 weeks. There is nothing to be done from your side at this point other than waiting. In my case, along with having some broken keys, My 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro had a stolen battery, and the battery life itself had dropped down to 4 hours from advertised 10 hours. It took about 15 days, but after the service was done, I got a fresh new bottom case and functioning keyboard, and brand new batteries with cycle count 1. If all goes well, you should get your laptop back within 2 weeks. They will call you, and once the parts arrive and they are done assembling, you gotta go back to the store and collect your laptop. That's it. Remember, this whole thing is free of cost, and if you have paid anyone any money during this process, you can ask them for a refund. It's mentioned here also in this Apple support page. And since you have a new keyboard now, this time around try looking for an ultra thin transparent keyboard cover for your Mac, because even though they replace the bottom case, it's still the same design. In future these keys can break again. I'll try and find a few good ones and link them below. You can continue to use your laptop like before, or you can get a decent resale value if you sell it on eBay or OLX. Anything above 55 to 60% of their original price is very good in my opinion. I had the keyboard repair service done earlier this year, and I got a new bottom case and new batteries as I mentioned earlier, and last month I sold my laptop for 70,000 INR. If you decide to sell your laptop in order to buy a new one, now is the time to do so. The M1 Max are stupidly fast and mark a new chapter to the Apple computing, as you probably already know. The entry-level Mac Mini is probably the best value Apple computer of the decade. The price has come down too, and the difference in computational performance between the MacBook Pro and the Mac Mini is virtually non-existent now. So if you work in a desktop setup, getting a Mac Mini for the cheap makes perfect sense now. Anyway, back to the topic. I weirdly came across a small local business of 4 guys where they would look for and buy MacBooks with broken butterfly keys for cheap from Quikr or OLX, and then get them serviced by Apple, and then sell those laptops to graphic companies or render firms at a higher price than what they paid for. Anyways, that's been it. This is my first video. I wanted to share my experience of Apple Keyboard Service Program in India because I couldn't find any when I googled. I hope you find it useful. In case if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Have a great day. Bye bye.